So if you have one of these Harbor Freight fireplaces and it doesn't want to turn on, at least the flames don't, but it still puts out heat down here, it's pretty simple. You just have some bad bulbs. So I'm going to show you how to replace them. First thing you'll want to do is unplug the machine. I'll show you how to access the bulbs on this model. If you have the other Harbor Freight machine or another unit that has the swing out door, I already did a video on that, links in the description. So looking at the back of the machine, you have an access door, 2 Phillips screws. You're just going to remove these. Pull that off just like that. And this machine only looks like it has 1 bulb. Some have 2, but all you're going to do is just reach your hand in there, unscrew it. These are a 40-watt candelabra style bulb. The manual calls for a B10, but a B11 bulb will work fine. This is the brand that we're going back in. This model does not have a dimmer switch on it, so it's not a big deal, but these are dimmable. If yours has a dimmer knob on it, these will work just fine. So I've already replaced the other one in my unit upstairs. Now we're going to replace this one. And all you're going to do, slide it in and put it in. There it is. Just to verify it turns on, and it does. Good enough for me. Put everything back together. This one's not burned out, but it's starting to get the black discoloration on it, so might as well change it. Stay tuned for more videos.